Dev. We should hire you. You could do our introduction all the time. That was perfect. Thank you. So I feel a little different than some of the others on the panel in the sense that where we're really playing is in the testing, validation, and ensuring all of these technologies are future-proof. So we really do work on an industry-led initiative here at AreaX.0, which is operated by Invest Ottawa. And I think very smartly, my marketing team has suggested we run a video to really give you a bit of a feel for some of the work that we're doing. And one of the common themes across all of the vertical markets that we're enabling is really that carbon footprint thought. So whether it's connected autonomous vehicles, our low-speed automated shuttle program, or our Smart Farm initiative, we really look very closely at measuring our carbon footprint and being very thoughtful about that. So excited to show you today what we're working on, and fingers crossed, this video will run and everyone will hear audio perfectly. So play video.
There's a lot of tracks that do testing. There's not a lot of areas where the R&D is happening that leads to the testing. So when we think about what's here, we're not just thinking about cars. We're thinking about military vehicles. We're thinking about first responders that are helping to bring somebody to safety. We're thinking about last mile shuttle services that we can capture the imagination of the public. If you're looking at testing what's coming, that's why you come to AreaX.0. AreaX.0 is future ready.
AreaX.0 operates one of the most advanced communication test infrastructures in the world. Companies in numerous sectors, including smart farming, have access to our GPS systems, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, LoRaWAN, TV white space, 5G, including millimeter wave, and satellite communication systems.
The potential for the Ottawa AreaX.0 site is endless, as are smart cities. We're just at the infancy of smart cities. This is just the beginning.
I know we're looking at bringing in, trains and rail stations, building a tunnel here. So they're really looking to the future to understand what does a city need to evolve and how can they make that happen here on site.
I think the objective for a site like this is to provide a platform where you can test and validate your solution in a contained and controlled environment.
Here at AreaX.0, there's a huge array of capabilities and solutions. And one of the biggest challenges we see was, how do we get that out to the community? How do we bring in the broader innovation centers across Ontario and Canada? And so with the development of the mobile AreaX.0 command center, we can start to do that. We can bring the capabilities right into the local community and start working with small and medium businesses there to bring new solutions that address their local needs.
We work with the hardware companies, all the big names, the silicon vendors that you can think of, and then we empower these systems. So we're sort of that software foundation that, again, has to be safe, secure, reliable, 100% of the time.
AreaX.0 is the futureplex of innovation and collaboration, anchored right here in Ottawa, Canada's capital. We enable and accelerate the safe and secure development, testing, and application of future technologies. And we're founded on some of the greatest differentiators, expertise, and capabilities that Ottawa has to offer the world. As a global tech hub, we have the highest concentration of technology talent per capita in all of North America. Some of our internationally recognized strengths include cybersecurity and telecommunications. 90% of the telecom industry-led R&D that takes place in all of Canada happens right here in Ottawa. We bring all of these capabilities to bear with our industry partners here at AreaX.0.
Being in an area that is snowy and the climate is challenging has really been beneficial in creating surprises of new technology and how we develop that. That's been quite amazing.
For us, coming to this site allows us to do testing in a much more cost-effective way.
There are a number of large companies here we can potentially work with to gain a foothold in different industries. And there are a number of smaller innovative companies as well.
It's a very collaborative environment. And not only are we being able to talk with people on site, the various companies that are here right now within this footprint, but we're working together on projects to bring across North America to showcase not just our company's technology, but collaborative technologies at work.
To have an opportunity to collaborate with such a great organization as Invest Ottawa at their AreaX.0 site is just fantastic. We're there at the beginning. We get to learn with them. We get to learn with their other partners and collaborators. It's phenomenal.
I love innovation. I love technology. And I think that this site is really a model for us being able to have great technology come together. And then I think Ottawa can be a leader in this space towards Canada and towards the world.
You've got really all of the ingredients of a triple helix model. You've got government, academia, and industry together. And that to me is exciting. That's really why I think the future is very bright with Area X.0.